Happy Easter, Grace.
Happy Easter.
Do you want to put these in your bag?
Favorite.
Favorite.
2.
There you go.
3.
There you go. Another one.
4.
Haha. The Easter Bunny bring these?
Yeah.
Oops.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie
What else do
daisy.
you think the Easter Bunny brought?
Another ducky.
Another ducky, right.
Favorite ducky.
There's lots of duckies. You're going to have a good bath next time with all these duckies.
Yeah. Wow. There's a lot.
There's a lot.
That's a blue one.
Okay, the blue scarf.
That's another pink one. 2 duckies.
2 duckies. Here you go. Hold the bag.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, look. Is that another one right there? Woo! Okay, come on in.
I think I see an egg.
Are there some plastic eggs in here? Oh. Wow. Come here. No, come here. There are more.
But there's more in the living room.
Look around. The Easter Bunny hid them. Where could they be?
Another egg.
You see another?
Here.
Good girl. There more eggs? Look around.
Sofa. Look on the sofa.
Another egg.
Oh, good girl.
Here.
How about Gracie's seat? Oh,
Couple.
purple. Good job.
Now let's come in this room, see if you hit any in this room. What about that plant over there? Check out the plant.
Another purple.
Wow. I wonder what's inside those eggs.
What about Wed Horsey? Where's Wed Horsey? He's got a green egg.
Yay.
Silly Wed Horsey.
That's it.
Okay, look around. Look around for more.
I see another one. Yellow.
I think there's more.
Yeah. Another one, guys.
Are there more in this room?
Yeah.
Oh.
The pink one.
Yeah. How about your little seat?
Yeah.
You think there might be one in there?
Yeah.
By the sink?
Yeah.
Good girl. Yeah. Where's baby in her stroller?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Another one egg.
Another egg? Where's the stroller?
Yeah.
Ah.
I see another one now.
Great. I see 2 eggs. Come here.
I
See, baby.
see another one yellow.
And what about the pizza shop?
The blue one.
Yay! I think you got them all. Good girl.
She found all the eggs.
Alright, let's go in the kitchen. What's in the kitchen?
Oh, special treats in the kitchen.
Another ducky.
Another ducky. What's up here? Wow!
What's a book? That's it. It's a basket with this book.
And books.
The basket with books?
Yeah.
Wow.
Read it.
Is one for Grace and one for Quinn?
What's a baby for cut?
Yeah.
What's a baby?
And you know what? Come here. There's one more surprise over here.
Eggie.
Hey, Eggies. Well, that's a nice surprise. Come here. Take a look.
It's a just little monkey.
Come here. The Easter Bunny left one more thing. Look up on the countertop. Come over here, Grace.
Come here.
Up on the counter, he left us eggs to decorate.
Look at the straw.
Oh, you want the stool?
Okay, and look at the cracker. Let's crack it now.
No, no cracking the eggs. These are for decorating. We have stickers and colors
Yes.
to decorate them with. We'll do that after breakfast. Yeah, but we don't want to crack them.
We'll put different colors on them.
We'll put stickers on them, and they'll be so pretty.
This is a happy.
Happy stickers. Face stickers.
And then there's a big carefully.
Be careful with these, that's right.
And it's cold.
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Over here.
2. Let's count them and leave them where they are. 1.
2. Over here.
Okay, that's alright.
Alright, no more counting.
Alright, let's say swears Happy Easter to Quinn.
Okay, there.
Hi.
Leave them here until we decorate.
You got a basket too, Quinn.
Let's go.
And books. Yeah. Next year will be a better year for you. Love you, Quinn. Happy Easter.
Easter. What's in your Easter basket?
Bulky bugs.
Bookie books.
Read this.
What are those?
It's a baby rabbit on eggs.
On stickers.
Yeah. And this is another ducky.
Another ducky.
Put on the basket.
Put in your basket.
Yeah. Yay.
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 Sorry.
It's okay.
That's the easy stuff.
Oh, what's that? This is something special from the Easter Bunny. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you can hit a little. Let's see here. Whoa.
That's funny.
That is funny.
Okay, Quinny.
Is that a chocolate bunny in there?
Yeah.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Right there? Oh.
Well, Daddy, check out Quinny. She's got her Easter basket, too.
Yeah.
Aren't you pretty?
What's in your Easter basket, Quinn? Are those stickers? Those
Yeah.
are foam stickers.
Good job.
Stickers. And Quinn got a little rubber ducky, too.
That's a basket. That's a basket box.
Yeah.
That's a basket.
That's a basket book?
That's a biscuit.
A biscuit book. That's
Oh, it's your favorite book.
the baby.
And it doesn't. Those are numbers.
Those are numbers.
And now,
Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter.
open it.
Oh, look, you see Quinny with the grass?
That's just like Grace did last year. Alright, everybody. Happy Easter. Grace is trying to eat her breakfast. Bye-bye.